Hello and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I'm Glenda Calkins and it is Thursday night, which means it is One Sheet Wonder night. Tonight I have a very quick One Sheet Wonder to show you. This month in my Stamp Camp at Home Card Club kit, I'm featuring the Thoughtful Journey 6x6 Designer Series paper. So this month's One Sheet Wonder nights on Thursday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right here on the Stamp Camp. We're going to be using those 6x6 sheets to create our One Sheet Wonder. So let's change the camera and get started. All right, so club members, they receive the full pack of the 6x6 Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper, the full pack of the Trio Pearls, as well as the card contents to create 8 cards, 4 different designs, 2 of each card. I'll give you a little sneak peek. If you would like to know more about my card club, under the video there is a direct link to the blog post that talks all about the club and what you will get for being a club member. Or if you would like to try out my club for 1 month, you can email me that as well and I'll send you a PayPal invoice. So let's take a peek at those cards. So I love Scenic prints and this paper pack is gorgeous. So this, I call this like a puzzle piece card when you have pieces that you fit together the scene. So that's the one of the cards. This is another one of the cards that club members will be creating. And then this one's a little bit different fun fold. It opens like so. And then the final card is kind of like a cascade picture, I would say, because it's the scene and it's just a cascade of that print. Super gorgeous, really easy to do, but it looks technical, which we like. So that is my Stamp Camp at Home Card Club kit cards for this month. So if you'd like to take advantage of my club, there's a link under the video. So tonight I am going to be using that gorgeous 6x6 paper pack. I'm going to use this print right here. We're going to create a One Sheet Wonder. Now, club members do not need the Thoughtful Wishes bundle to create their cards. All they need is a sentiment stamp set, but if they want their sentiments to be identical to mine, they're going to want to purchase the bundle, which this month is an additional 10% off. And that sale goes till June 30th is the last day. So if you have any stamp and die, they have to be stamp and die bundle, you're going to save 10%. So let's get started on tonight's card. This is the piece that I'm going to be using for my One Sheet Wonder. The first thing we're going to do is turn it, and we're going to cut this at 5 1/4. Save that. We're going to turn this and we're going to score it at 4 inches. And we're going to cut this piece down to 5 1/4. So we will have this little teensy teensy little paper square as scrap. I will throw that away. So that's all our cutting. I love One Sheet Wonders with 6x6 because they can go pretty quick. This is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. We're going to score that at 4 1/4 or fold it directly in half. And then I have a piece of the new basic beige for my inside. Now let's take this piece and we're going to fold that on that score line that was at 4 inches. We're going to take this piece and we're going to run it right down the front there. I can see I scored a little crooked here, so let's get this straight. And then that's going to go right down the center. We're going to attach that like so. I'm going to open this up, and right here in this spot I am going to use my Mossy Meadow And the You Make Life Better, this is part of the bundle. And stamp that right there. I can see I forgot to grab my punches. This is going to go right to the front, like so. Just like that. I'm going to take those pearls, and I think I'm going to bring in these pink ones, and I'm going to put one here and one here, and I got to get my sentiment for right there, but this is going to open just like that, or to the inside like this. So I got to grab my punches for that, but I'll do the inside first. I'm going to take this stamp from the bundle in Mossy Meadow ink, and we're going to put that on the inside. I want a scrap piece of paper so I don't get the ink on my glass mat. Yes, it will wipe off, but I'm going to grab some paper. All right, so I'm going to stamp that right down here in the corner. You could also stamp that on the corner of your envelope. Put that on the inside, like so. And then I'm just gonna have, I got some circles here. Got to get my stamp. I want the thanks. And I need that Mossy Meadow ink again. Just like that. We'll assemble that. Now, if you don't have the circle punches, because these are retired punches, you can use the Stylish Shapes dies. I'm going to kind of just overlap it right here. And do I want to pop that up, or do I want to stick it down? I think I'm going to just stick it down. Now I kind of put more adhesive. I wanted it overlap just a hair, but I'm afraid I'm going to stick it down if I did that. I guess if you didn't want that flap to open up, you could stick it down. But I like to have it expand. Maybe like that. And then I want to come in with a pearl yet for my sentiment. I think off to the side like that. So it can open like this. It open up to reveal that little message. And then you have a full-size card in size. So really quick and easy one sheet wonder using that designer series paper. I love it because you still have your whole scene pretty much. And then it also flips to show the other side and opens up. So wasn't that quick and easy? And what a pretty card. I love those colors. So, and I love all the prints in that pack as well. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure that you like, share, subscribe. Click on the bell in the upper right hand corner so you always know when I go live. If you want to know more about my card club, you'll find the link under the video. If you would like any of the supplies that I used for tonight's One Sheet Wonder, you'll find the list of supplies that I used under the video. Click on any of those, it will bring you to my online store. I do appreciate any and all orders. That is it for tonight. Thanks for stopping by.